Hey, I'm Ryan. Thanks for checking out Maniacs Garage today. Follow along as we pick up part one of our next project. Space. There's not usually cardboard on the floor for space.
Because we're going to pick up an engine, and right here.
An engine? Why are we putting an engine in the van?
Because we're going to pick up a car.
A car? Whose car?
My car.
Almost it. Does it look like we're in? Oh yeah, we're in. Cool. You set it right there if you want. Naomi, what is this?
It's my car.
What car is this?
A 1956 Studebaker.
1956 Studebaker President. This is a big, faded out to pink, four-door car. Very cool. Very cool. Are you excited?
Yes, very.
Yeah. How long before you actually get to drive this car?
10 months.
10 months.
Until I get
It's
my
gonna be
permit.
longer than
About
that.
a year.
Maniacs Garage isn't that fast. Well, the DeSoto is in its resting place for a little while, probably 6 months or so before we finish the 62 and actually get working on this thing again. We just tied it onto a post right there last night in the dark and literally drug the trailer out from underneath of it. So I hope you enjoyed following along as we went and picked up our new project. Keep following our channel, subscribe, so we can let you know when the new videos come out and you can keep watching. Thanks. See you next time.